The surface of this planet is the very picture of hell. Here, even radio signals are shredded by lethal radiation. The storms on its surface are truly monstrous. The Great Red Spot, in particular, has been raging relentlessly for hundreds of years. Its scale is vast enough to swallow 3 entire Earths. This planet is the embodiment of chaos, yet it is the guardian deity of the inner solar system. This is Jupiter. It's the behemoth of our solar system, hiding a wealth of cosmic wonders. To call it a collection of planetary superlatives is no exaggeration at all. In terms of size, it could easily hold 1,321 Earths. Its volume is over 1,300 times that of Earth. In terms of mass, it is more than 2.5 times the combined mass of all other planets in the solar system. It accounts for a staggering 70% of the solar system's non-solar mass. It lies about 780 million kilometers from the Sun, yet it acts as a guardian for the inner solar system. In 1992, comet Shoemaker-Levy 9, without any warning, attempted to breach the inner solar system. When it was just 40,000 kilometers from Jupiter, Jupiter's gravity tore it into 21 fragments. In July 1994, Jupiter carried out its death sentence. The execution scene was akin to a cosmic inferno. The fragments of Shoemaker-Levy 9 slammed into Jupiter consecutively at 60 kilometers per second. The energy from the largest fragment's impact was equivalent to 6 trillion tons of TNT. That's over 750 times the total yield of all nuclear weapons on Earth. The scar left by the impact was longer than Earth's diameter. This 5-day-long cosmic fireworks display, if it had happened on Earth, would have been enough to cause a mass extinction. Astronomers have calculated that without Jupiter, the probability of Earth being hit by large objects would increase by over 1,000 times. It is this gravitational vacuum cleaner role of Jupiter that has maintained a relatively safe environment for the inner solar system. Despite its ferocious nature, Jupiter boasts the most spectacular vistas in the solar system. It looks like a vibrant piece of abstract art. Turbulence within its cloud belts creates storms and massive vortices. These vortices, accompanied by violent winds, rage through the cloud layers. The Great Red Spot is the most prominent of these features. This is a storm that has lasted for over 400 years. Wind speeds here reach up to 500 kilometers per hour, powerful enough to destroy anything. And this is only its surface. Beneath this lies an interior, with an immensely thick atmosphere. Powerful storms can plunge thousands of kilometers deep. As depth increases, so do temperature and pressure. At greater depths, the gas becomes denser and hotter, eventually turning liquid, forming a vast ocean of hydrogen. Deeper still, the situation becomes even stranger. Unlike terrestrial planets with mantles, Jupiter has a massive region, composed of metallic hydrogen. Under such extreme pressures, hydrogen undergoes a peculiar transformation, allowing it to conduct electricity like a metal. Temperatures here are hotter than the Sun's surface, exceeding 10,000 degrees Celsius. But its marvels don't end there. Jupiter's magnetic field is its true invisible crown. Its magnetosphere extends for hundreds of millions of kilometers, large enough to influence half the solar system. If visible to the naked eye, Jupiter's magnetosphere would appear larger than a full moon in the night sky. This supermagnetic field is 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. It traps charged particles, forming deadly radiation belts, capable of destroying an unprotected probe within minutes. It is this magnetic field that creates the solar system's most powerful auroras at its poles, with over 300 times the energy of Earth's auroras. They dance incessantly over Jupiter's north and south poles. However, Jupiter also has its regrets. It almost became a sun. Its path to formation is a tale of what might have been. Jupiter's composition is similar to the Sun's, primarily hydrogen and helium. If it had accumulated 80 times more mass during its formation, its core could have ignited nuclear fusion, turning it into a red dwarf star. Jupiter is also the collection point for solar system planetary records. It holds multiple titles. It's the fastest spinning planet in the solar system, completing a rotation every 9 hours and 50 minutes. It has the most intense auroral radiation. It possesses the strongest gravity of any planet. This supergravity allows Jupiter to act like a godfather, controlling over 79 moons. Leveraging its immense size, it has protected the inner solar system for billions of years, becoming the hero of the four inner planets.